Mr. President, I won't belabor the point kasi sinagot nyo naman, sir, yung tanong ko. Kasi nga, going back to Ambassador Lacanilao, that's a violation of the law. If you look at the law, it says arrested, detained, and custodial investigation. Kung arrested lang to, baka may lusot, 12 hours, 6 hours, matagal na. Pero ang nakalagay sa law kasi, you cannot deny pag arrested, detained, and custodial investigation. No if, no buts tong batas na to because nga, in the past, lalo pagka wala pa namang internet masyado nito 1992, no? Wala pa masyado yung mga bago pa lang yung mga cellphone na ba nito or ano? But ang point, sir, there's no exceptions here. So that's a matter of defense kay General Torre. But just to pursue this, yung doctors ho ba ni President Duterte certified him fit to travel? Di ba sabi niyo, sir, eventually pinapasok niyo rin doktor niya. So nung una, sa video nakita ko, ay hindi pa kasi niyo nasasubmit yung buong video kaya hindi pa namin nare-review, no? That's why I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt. Kasi I'm not an eyewitness, I didn't see and even if I'm not an eyewitness, I didn't view the video, no? So dun sa nakita ko kasi, you were denying, the President was saying, you have to make sure I'm fit to travel, and then sabi niya, doktor ko, ang sabi niyo, may doktor na dito, it was a police or military colonel. So eventually you let in some of his doctors, correct, sir? Yeah. Did they certify that he was fit to travel?
I believe, sir, on that argument, we can already
No,
take...
it's not an argument. I was just
Sir,
asking.
okay, sir.
Did
Sir,
they certify that he was fit to travel or hindi sila tinanong were they fit to travel?
It's not part of the procedure for his private doctors for that to do that, sir. It will be the government doctors who will be
No,
taking
that's not
that, sir.
true, sir. Ang nakalagay ho dito sa batas, it can be his doctors. Magiging inutil yung batas if you invite your doctors and then they cannot certify. So, ang mangyayari nun, if they certify hindi pwede, sinertify ng government doctor pwede, korte ang magsasabi at kakasuhan yung doktor na nagkakamali. Hindi mo pwede basta't i-replace ng government doctor yung, so like now, no? If anyone here biglang nag-faint at sinabing hindi na siya pwedeng mag-appear dito, we have a Senate doctor. But if it's the doctor of the witness who tells us, we cannot immediately judge on the two. Kasi even dito po sa surrender, may mga tanong about being fit to travel na ang nakalagay nga and even yung baka mapahamak yung kapitan kasi kung titignan niyo po yung yung
Yes.
pinirmahan ng kapitan, sa pinirmahan niya po may nakalagay doon saan yun?
Yes, Senator Cayetano, kung pwede lang
Yeah,
i-clarify,
anyway,
ang nangyari, si Kitty, sinabi talaga na hindi pinapasok yung doktor. At sinabi ni Dr. Rosa Alensi na ang dating Pangulo, napakataas na ng kanyang diabetes, umabot ng 328. He needs to be admitted directly to a hospital. Nagkaroon ng diskusyon doon sa Villamor, pinatawag yata nung isang Colonel Dr. Donald Palma, cardiologist, na hindi siya nasa kalagayan na magbiyahe ng mahaba, pero pinirmahan ni Dr. Colonel Jonathan Rico, isa na namang Armed Forces Doctor, Commanding Officer ng Air Force, na pwede siyang bumiyahe. So, ibig sabihin, maliwanag na ang pumirma ng certification na fit to travel ay hindi kanyang doktor na hindi pinapasok, kundi doktor ng AFP.
Correct ba ho ang pagkakwento ni
Madam Chair.
Chairperson? No, Senator Go, just before ito yung dahilan kung ba't ko tinatanong Sabi nga ni SOJ sub judice meron na request, may petition for writ of habeas corpus. Ang aking concern ngayon, kasi ang bata, ang ginagaya, hindi yung salita natin, yung gawa. And I think ganun din sa batang pulis, batang militar, batang tanod, batang NBI. They're watching now. So what if someone was arrested in Tawi-Tawi? Can he be visited by his family anytime? And can his doctor, they say, hindi mo pwede ilipad ng Manila yan? That's why I'm asking all of this because according to Ambassador Marcos, Lacanilao, walang violation. Sabi niyo, walang violation, pero apparent dito no? So I just want to put that on record. Sana malinaw natin yan. Kasi may police, meron din po kayong, di ba, revised PNP operation procedure. Pati doon, pareho nung batas pero parang hindi nasunod. So I submit to you and to Senator Bongo. Thank you for waiting.